Hi, welcome to Eat Chowtime. Today's vlog is about cooking the sweet and spicy sticky pork ribs, or triple S pork ribs as I call it. And here are the ingredients. And for some dramatic ingredient shots, we will be needing 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 kilo of pork ribs, and some out-of-focus shots of cloves of garlic, ginger, and onion leek. Now fast forward to chopping and slicing of the ingredients. And we're gonna go ahead and get cooking. Pour about 2 liters of water and add all of the pork ribs into the pot. Set the heat to medium-high and cover and cook it for about 30 minutes. Take the pork ribs out of the pot and set aside. Also, do not throw the broth just yet because we will be needing that broth as we continue to cook the triple S pork ribs. Now, in a separate pan, set the heat to medium-high. Add 5 tablespoons of canola oil and add the sugar and cook it until the sugar caramelizes. Put the pork ribs back into the pan and mix well. And add the soy sauce, hoisin sauce, ginger, and garlic, then mix. Now remember the pork broth earlier? Now we will be using 2 cups of pork broth and add onion leek. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes or until you get this thick sauce consistency. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and then mix. So there you have it, my triple S or sweet and spicy sticky pork ribs. Now do not forget to pour the sauce over and add more of the onion leek and sesame seeds for that restaurant-like garnish. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to like and subscribe. So thanks again for watching and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!